This is the beginning. Disney, Anaheim, Orlando. What is this in my lap, you ask? This is a rain poncho. Why?
You may be asking yourself, Balance, surely you have known this is Florida and it will rain, and you should bring ponchos or umbrellas with you. Of course you should. I'm sure you're asking yourself. Why not tell us?
And that we did. We did. We packed enough for every single day.
Yeah.
And every single day, we asked the little Disney Alexa thing in our room at the Polynesian Resort Hotel, is it going to rain today? Yeah, it's a 51% chance of rain today. And never once did it rain. This morning when we asked, it's a 20% chance of rain.
I don't think we asked for it because we kind of went out a late start, so we didn't do our usual thing. We're kind of like, yeah, let's go, let's see how things go. And so we didn't even ask today. So
I'm pretty sure we did ask.
I don't remember asking, but maybe you're right. I have old lady brain, so I feel like we asked like every morning. This morning I just didn't think of it.
Your brain's leaking out your ears.
Yeah. It's true.
Quit smoking all that pot.
Look at all these lovely walls we have. So I should see it.
We have a wall over here.
Oh,
Oh God! The water. And we have a wall over here.